habakan tho alor ka jingkio ka jingkhayi bat kam di drugs ka jalla ka Director General of Police DGP Bathamai juga jalla ka kong ida shisha nong rang IPS kala ong maka nong ba shlong kam dei shoot tang ka lenti ban khayi hindrei ka jaka ba shir khai ba ka jingdi drugs haba jubab ka jingkli halor ki sin jam kum ka DGP Bathamai ban te la kam yo drugs ka kong ida shisha kala ong babaro ki ha bandan banta na du ki long yeng long sam ki snong ki thau bat ki wei pat ban ya khun yo ni u jingdi pen bu aj.
That is a concern that we've been having a lot over, especially in the recent past. It's very disturbing, especially to me, because with my experience earlier in Jayanti Hills, and subsequently in East Khas Hills, Shillong was usually a transit point, but now it's become a consumer. And despite all the seizures and everything we've made, we've not really been able to make a dent into actually the supply system. While there have been very commendable efforts by the ANTF in some cases, but in a number of cases we've not really taken we've not been able to take the action that we needed to take, and we've been faulted at a number of instances in court. Our cases have not held up, so that deterrence factor is not there. The drugs and the issue of drugs, especially the increasing crimes related because of the drug usage, especially amongst the youth and different sections of society, that is a concern which affects not only us, but it would affect not only our generation, but it would. I've seen what the effect that drugs has on at least 2-3 generations after this also. So it's something that we need to work together very closely, not only with the law enforcement, the other agencies that are involved in the fight against drug, but also especially with the families and the society at large. But we would like to drill down to the families, because one thing I've noticed about us is we like to talk about it, but we don't really do much about it. And when it comes to my family, it's okay, no, it's not to be discussed. Only one of the aspects I would say as to how we would go about. How best to tackle the drug menace. Yes, if we could get them at the entry point, yes, and nothing like it. But the fact of the matter is, we have a very porous thing, and and the national highway passes through Meghalaya, so there are limitations on the amount of checking you can do, and drugs is something that is so easy to conceal. So unless there's very specific information, even if we could be checking the right vehicle, but unless we know where to look, it's very difficult to be.
Habatin, page bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha kajing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.